Alright, time to talk about the 180-degree rule. Much like close-ups and mediums, the 180-degree rule is also used in conversations between two people. Think of it like you're the third wheel on a date. You're just watching two people have a conversation and maybe thinking about signing up for eHarmony. So, if you're watching the person on the right talk, they should be looking to the left of the camera. And if you're watching the person on the left talk, they should be looking to the right of the camera. This gives the impression that they're talking to each other. The 180-degree rule is a classic movie rule for a reason. The rule states that if you're watching a conversation, you need to stay on one side, within 180 degrees, when switching the camera between two people. If you go beyond the 180 degree, because your artsy-fartsy brain thought, man, this might be a cool angle, you've now broken the 180 degree rule, which will throw off your audience and they're going to get immediately pulled out of your scene. You'll end up going from a shot like this over to a shot like this. And it's just not going to match up. It's going to look like somebody's talking to one person and then all of a sudden they switch and start talking to somebody else on the other side. As opposed to going from a shot like this over to a shot like this. This is what matches up. It looks like these two people are talking to each other. I encourage rule breaking in almost all aspects of life, but this is not a rule I encourage to break, ever. Just trust me, do not break it. That's the rule, move on to the next lesson, and I'll see you there.